Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how iterate the string and print in the reverse order by help of the reversed function. Okay, so here print the string, also print like a previous videos which I am already going to tell about how the string is going to be print, but in this video it is also going to be print the string in the reverse order. Okay, so reverse order by help of the reversed function. So let's see, there is a string name equal to Lingaraj Techhub. Then we go for text. There is a string name LingarajTechhub. Then go for the length equal to len. Find out the string length. Sorry, name. Okay. Then we go for the for element in reversed within bracket range 0 comma len. Okay, colon, then print there is the string name with element. Fine, run it and check it. So here string name is not defined, it's saying that string name r. Okay, that's why the spelling is going to it is going to be print here. Fine, in the reverse form if I am going to add it and equal to this, and it is going to be print in your linear form. Okay, in the horizontal form BHUHHCETJARAGINIL. So this is the reverse order is going to be print by help of the reversed function. Okay, there is a lots of functions inside the Python. You have to keep remember how the functions are going to be work by practicing more and more. Okay, so that's it. Iterator reverse function, it is how going to be, help you to reverse the string and print on the console. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. Please like and share this video. Please click on the bell icon also. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.